Do you know that making ice cream at home is way more simpler than a lot of people think? Hello Sweet Fingers lovers, it's your favorite elegant chef Percy. And on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your ice cream. These are the ingredients we'll be using to make our ice cream. Our powdered whipped cream, our flavor, that's condensed milk. This is the cream cheese that we're going to add, and also our heavy cooking cream. In the bowl, we're just going to add a cup of our whipped cream, and then we're just going to add to it 1 cup, and also we're just going to add cold water to it, and it has to be just 1 cup. Then bring out your hand mixer, and then we're just going to mix this until it is double in size and it is smooth. So I'm just going to whisk this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then after that, this is what it looks like. So we're just going to add our heavy cooking cream to this. If you're using the liquid form of your whipped cream, I would advise you to always add your whipped cream and also your heavy cream together. That's if you are using the liquid form of the whipped cream. So we're just going to mix this together for another 1 minute. After that, this is what it looks like. You have to make sure it doubles in size. Then we're just going to add our other ingredients to it. So at this stage, we're just going to add our cheese to this, and also then we're just going to mix this together and make sure it is properly combined together for just 1 minute. You don't want to over whip your ice cream, or else it's going to turn to butter, and we don't want that. Then we're just going to add our condensed milk to this. Just a cup of condensed milk is fine. Then also our flavor. For my flavor, I'm using condensed milk flavor, and then we're just going to mix this together. You don't have to mix this. After mixing together, we're just going to bring out our bowl, and we're just going to add our ice cream to this and allow it to freeze. At the end of the day, I got 2 bowls, so we're just going to put this in the freezer, and I left mine between 4 to 5 hours. That's the time I left this, and after that, this is what we have. So time for us to serve. So get out your scooper and let's scoop into deliciousness. And then we're just going to add little things for us to decorate it, and also as toppings. For this cream cheese, I will always suggest you go in with cookies. Like they eat differently with cookies. So for these toppings, it's just crushed cookies and also dark chocolate, and I also added strawberry flavor toppings to it, that's on the dark chocolate. And at the end of the day, this is what we have. This tastes so nice, so sweet, so delicious. So let me know, my Sweet Fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. And also feel free to watch our other videos if you want to learn how to upgrade your culinary skill for free. And if you have any question, you can always reach out to me on Instagram via Chef Bosse or Moto Show. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.